Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can add a collection to your Shopify store. It's a pretty simple process, so follow me till the end to make sure that you're successful in creating a collection on your Shopify store. So the first thing you're gonna do is go into your account in Shopify. Once you're in here, in the home page, just click on products, and under products you can see that there is a collections option. Just tap on collections, and before I go ahead and add a collection to my website, I'll just show you how it is and what it is at the moment. This is how it looks. We'll add a collection down this below this, and it'll look good. It'll look great. So yeah, this is my website, Gimbismal. We sell camera equipment, as you can see here. Now this is not a real website, I just made it for you guys, so I can show you how you can add a collection with ease. So once you're satisfied on where you want to add the collection, let's say I want to add it down here under this section, just make sure you create a collection first, and then we'll go ahead on adding it on our main page. So once you're here in collections, just click on create collection on the top right corner and give your collection a name. Let's say I want to create a collection for gimbals. As you know, gimbals are used to stabilize cameras, and they are pretty important for any camera equipment or photography job for that matter. And once you created a title, adding a description is not something that we want, because it will be a pictorial form and descriptions can be a little distracting for some. And once you have done that, click on manual, because it is the first time that we're creating a collection and it is easier to create a manual collection. Once you have given a title, you've put in the collection type, click on add image, because you want a good image to tell the viewers what kind of collection it is without having to read the text. Once you select the image, click on open. Make sure it is under 20 megapixels. If it is not, this will not allow it to be saved as the image of this collection. I hope this is below 20 megapixels. So yeah, once I click on save, we'll know that. Once you have done all these basic steps, click on save on the top right corner. And that's it. I have created a collection, gimbals. Now this will not definitely reflect on my main page as of yet, because we will have to go into the theme editor to add a collection again. So once you have created a collection at the back end of your website, we will go ahead and fiddle around with the front end, which you can do by clicking on the online store, go to themes and click on customize. Whatever theme you have added, you can customize that. So as you can see, this is our website, which is currently running online. And if you want to add a collection, just click on the theme settings, or you can even click on the add section here. Once you tap on add section, under template, click on collection list. And as you can see, it has added a collection list for us. And now over here in the first collection list, we'll add something that I've already created before, which is tripods. Once you do that, as you can see, it has added a collection, nice and easy. Now, if you're happy with that, click on select, and that's it. You have added a collection. Click on save, and it will reflect on this our web page as well. I'll reload and show you again. So yeah, once you're happy with the collection, you can add another one if you want. Just click on this, click on the three dots. Click on select collection and click on the collection that we just created before this. Click on select. And that is why I told you guys to add an image. It is important. It gives a nice and interactive UI to the audience. And yeah, this is a great way to add a collection. You can also add your collections here and keep them as a drop down menu. I'll show you how you can do that as well. It's pretty easy. Once you're satisfied, and let's say I want to remove this extra part, just click on the three dots here, click on remove, and that's it. We have two collections right under our home page. And also you can add collections here as well. As I told earlier, I'll show you how it's done. Now if you want to view the changes on your main website, just click on reload if you already have it opened up. And as you can see, it has added my first collection. I don't know why the second and third collections are not done. Just click on save and try to reload again. It usually works. And there you go. Once you have saved the changes, just click on save, and that's it. We have added two collections to our Shopify store. Now, if you want to add a menu bar as well, just go back, click on exit, and once you're here, click on navigation. Once you're here, click on main menu. Once you're under here, click on main menu, and under here you'll see all the different categories that we had created. Just click on add menu item, and let's say I want to add gimbals. Click on add, and you can also link a product. We can link a collection, and we'll link gimbals as well. Click on add, and that's it. You can even place it wherever you want. Let's say I want it after home. And yeah, that's it. You will have to click on save menu, and then we will see the changes here. And there you go. We have gimbals added as well. And you can see that I have one product under tripods. I didn't add an image, so that is a bad thing. Make sure you add images. It is pretty nice and useful. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how you can add collections to your main page on Shopify. Hope you guys found this video helpful. You can even add featured collections. The process is pretty simple. Just go to themes, click on customize, and over here you will see where you tap on add section and you can add featured product. Once you do that, you can even add featured collections. It will add right under this section. You can edit, and once you scroll down, you will get all the customization options on the left side. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how you can add collections to your Shopify store. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.